In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Notion. If you've ever needed a clean professional copy of a Notion page, the easiest way is to export it as a PDF and then print it. I'll walk you through each click, explain what to expect, and share a few tips along the way so everything looks the way you want. First, open your web browser and go to notion.com. On the homepage, click Login if you need to sign in, or click Launch Notion if you're already set up. Either option will take you straight into your Notion account. Once you're in, navigate to your workspace. This is the area where your pages live. Then head to the specific page you want to print. Take a quick moment to make sure the content you need is visible and expanded on the page. The export will capture what's on the page, so it helps to double check headings, images, and any sections you want included. At the top right of the page, click the three-dot icon to open the page menu. This menu contains several page-level actions. Scroll down the options and click Export. This is the tool that lets you turn your page into a file you can easily share or print. When the export window appears, choose PDF as the export format. PDF is ideal because it preserves the layout and is universally supported by printers, offices, and most devices. If you see additional options, you can leave them as is for a straightforward printout, or adjust them if you have a specific need. Now click Export. Notion will generate the PDF. Large pages with lots of content may take a moment, so give it a bit of time. Once it's finished downloading, your browser will show a pop-up or a download notification. Click that downloaded file and it will open in a new tab as a PDF. In the PDF viewer, click the printer icon. This opens your printing dialog. Here, choose your printer if you have more than one, pick whether you want all pages or a specific range, and adjust settings like orientation, color or black and white, double-sided printing, and scale. This is where you make sure the output matches your needs, especially if your page includes wide tables or images. When everything looks right, click Print. Your printer will handle the rest, and you'll have a crisp copy of your Notion page ready to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.